The CSTEP Spring Internship has really supported me, and I learned a lot about optometry in more ways than I could have expected. Everyone here made me feel like I belonged.
It gave me the opportunity to gain hands-on exposure to the field of optometry and let me observe how everybody works together to provide patient care.
I've really enjoyed how there's been a variety of learning. I've been in a classroom setting where I learned about a bunch of different eye issues. I've been in clinical settings both in and out of SUNY Optometry.
CSTEP Spring Internship was very fun. I had a lot of chance to explore different fields of optometry that I've never seen before.
I felt like my experience was really great. I got so much exposure to optometry school and optometry in the profession itself. I don't think I could get this level of experience anywhere else but this program.
My favorite part was actually shadowing in a realistic clinical setting. And I also really enjoy hearing about the experiences of the current SUNY students, and they gave some really helpful advice.
All the people here are awesome and they're very helpful. They're also very friendly and they help me learn about certain aspects of optometry that I never knew about before.
I have been able to shadow optometry students in different areas like pediatrics and contact lenses. I also really enjoyed the OET prep. I found it really helpful and I feel a lot more prepared now.
I made a joke just this Friday, and I told my friends if they wanted me to come tomorrow, I would. So the fact that I was willing to give up my weekends shows that I had a very good time. I learned a lot, and it also confirmed in my heart that this is the path I want.
What surprised me the most about eye care is how comprehensive everything is. Not only the care that you give to the eye, but also how much of the health you can tell from the eye.
Eye exams can help us discover any systemic health problems we have and discover any early stage eye diseases that may not have any symptoms.
Through this internship, I was able to learn that eye care is a very crucial part of healthcare. It helps a person to maintain their ability to work, to learn, and to overall just their independence.
There are stem cell thin films that people could put on their corneas to help kind of regenerate the cells in that area. And it was really interesting to see real-life applications of things that I've been learning at school for the past year.
I noticed how the blood vessels were being affected in a patient because of diabetes. So I think it made me realize how impactful eye care is for a patient's overall health and their quality of life.
The fact that there's so many different opportunities within eye care, there's so many specialties to be able to pick from. You could do pediatrics, low vision, advanced care, primary care. There's just a lot of different options.
They don't just look at prescriptions, they also look at any underlying diseases that can rise from a problem in the eye.
We had multiple professors come in and talk to us about research, data analysis, and advanced technology that helps treat and manage eye diseases in patients. And these are things that are not very talked about commonly, so learning about how this is involved in optometry has really made me become more confident in pursuing this field. And it's also important to me that I'm an engineering major, so I really like how innovation and technology intersect and have a role in optometry.